Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can directly download any designs you've made in Canva. You can download them straight from Canva to Dropbox. So for example, this is the design I have created, and I want to download it directly to my Dropbox. This way, you don't have to waste time downloading from Canva and then uploading to your Dropbox. You can simply save or download it directly from Canva to Dropbox. To do that, go to the Share option, then click on See All, and here you'll see Save. You can download it, and you can also download it in Microsoft PowerPoint or Dropbox. Right now, we're downloading to Dropbox. Click on Dropbox, and it will say Open, and if you just open it, you need to connect to your Dropbox. So you don't need to worry. You just need to connect your Dropbox the first time you download. But after you've connected your Dropbox, you won't need to connect it again for future projects. Just connect your Dropbox once and you'll be able to download other projects easily to your Dropbox. Yeah, that was a simple process showing how you can directly download any of your Canva designs to Dropbox without any hassle and without wasting time downloading from Canva and uploading to Dropbox.